Ukraine, not in the face of an intensifying strategic competition in the Indo-Pacific and around the world.
If the witness will suspend,
and yet not one senator is calling for a ceasefire. Shame on you all. The world is calling for a ceasefire. The American people don't want to support this brutal war. Stop the war. Stop the ceasefire now. Stop funding this brutal massacre that Israel is doing on the people of Gaza. Ceasefire now. Ceasefire now. Ceasefire now. Ceasefire now. Ceasefire now. Stop supporting the brutal massacre of Gaza. The Israeli government is committing genocide against the people of Gaza. The American people do not want to support this brutal massacre. We demand that the U.S. government stop giving money to Israel. No more money for Israel. Stop supporting genocide. No more money for Israel. Stop supporting genocide.
The Geneva Convention forbids the bombing of densely populated areas. Stop supporting the genocide and ethnic cleansing of the people of Gaza. Ceasefire now! Save the children of Gaza! Save the children of Gaza! Ceasefire now! Where is your pride, America?
nice that people feel very passionately, and I ask.
Development must work hand in hand.
Committee will suspend, and again, I appreciate that people feel passionately about these issues. I would ask that you respect our witnesses and our committee members and allow the American people to hear their testimony. We will pause until the room is clear.
300 people in Gaza, 3,500 kids dead. Come on, I'm an Army colonel, I'm a former diplomat, I resigned on that war in Iraq that you talked about. That was a terrible thing, and what we're doing right now and supporting Israel's genocide of Gaza is a terrible thing too. Stop! Stop the war! Ceasefire now! Ceasefire now! Stop aid to Israel! Peace is what we need, not more wars. Ceasefire now! Don't give more money to merchants of war! They love this war! Trillions of dollars for war! Come on, let's do a little peace work.
I know that several
Committee will suspend, and I again ask that those in the audience respect the people in the room and allow us to continue the hearing. The hearing will suspend until the disruption is removed.
both stressed the need for Israel to operate by the rule of
Committee will suspend.
Let them be at the table. Why aren't they at the table? Ceasefire now! I beg you! Ceasefire now! From Palestine to Mexico, all the world to Gaza.
Committee will suspend.
Ceasefire now!
Ceasefire now!
Ceasefire now!
Ceasefire now!
Ceasefire now!
Ceasefire now! Ceasefire now! Ceasefire now! Ceasefire now! Ceasefire now! Ceasefire now!
I'm an Air Force veteran here with some Army veterans. We're just wondering why we should vote for someone who voted for a war in the middle of the war to kill thousands of our brothers and sisters. Countless Iraqi civilians. You enabled that war. You also gave a medal to a man who enabled that war and caused that war. Your blood is on your hands as well. And you're disqualified. You're disqualified. My friends are dead. Because of your fault.
So is my son who was in Iraq. For years. That doesn't matter, right? Nothing that matters to me. It matters a lot to me.
I'm sure it does. And I'm not going after your son.
You better not.
I'm not. No, I'm not going after your son. You're disqualified, sir. Disqualified. The blood is on your hands. Blood is on your hands. No. My brothers and sisters died in Iraq and Afghanistan. And he enabled that to happen. He enabled that to happen. He is disqualified. He is disqualified. No way he can be president. They are dead. Millions are dead in Iraq. He will not be allowed to be president. Disqualified. Trump is more anti-war than you.
Fucking bullshit. Fucking imperialist. We actually fought in your damn wars. We fought in your wars. You sent us to hurt civilians. We hurt civilians. You pushed us out to do it.
We must obliterate Hamas, you see. And what Israel has to do, which I'm hoping, of course, they will, is they are going to what's called raise Gaza. They're going to destroy it. What is important to understand, what the logic of the war is based on the divine plan.
There is no permission from the Torah to have any mercy whatsoever during war. Not on children, not on women, not on anybody.
But the point is right here that Hashem say, do not have mercy on the children. Kill all their children also. Why? There's no difference between them and their children. In 10 years from now, these children will attack you on the way. Hashem knows, God knows.
We're not playing by your rules. We're playing by the rules of the Torah.
A verse in the whole Bible that says, happy is the one that takes the infants of Babel and of Edom and smashes them on the rock, just like they did to us. The ransom, and this is what we say before benching, right? That's the end of this. That the ultimate revenge again, are going, innocent infants. Happy is the one that takes the infants and smashes them and kills them on the rock. And then we bless Hashem for the food that we ate.
You kill all men and all women, me'olel ve'ad yonek, even babies who breastfeed. Amazing.
תעלו והצליחו, תכסחו אותם כמה שיותר, שלא להשאיר מהם זכר. שלא הם, לא אמא שלהם, לא הילדה שלהם, לא התינוקות שלהם. אסור להם לחיות לחיות האלה. עם תותחים, עם הפצצות, להרוס בית ולהיכנס הלאה. להרוס עוד בית ולהיכנס. הנקמה על מה שהם עוללים לנו, עכשיו הולכת להתחולל. עכשיו הולכים להיות דברים שלא חלמנו עליהם. כן? שיפלו עליהם פצצות שישמידו אותם. כל מה שהנביאים ניבאו הולך על אחרית ימים מתרחש עכשיו.